A galvanic cell is constructed with Ag plus Ag and Fe plus 3, Fe plus 2. Find concentration of Ag plus at which concentration of Fe plus 2 is equal to concentration of Fe plus 3. And here it is E cell, not E0 cell, it is E cell. E cell is 0. Given E0 value, reduction potential value for silver is plus 0.8 volt, Fe plus 3 to Fe plus 2 is plus 0.77 volts. So first of all, in these two electrodes, which is having less reduction potential value, that will act as anode, and which is having more reduction potential value, that will act as cathode. So first we'll write the anode and cathode reaction. So here which is anode, which is cathode? Iron is cathode, anode, silver is cathode. Iron is anode, it is anode because it is having less reduction potential value, and this is cathode. Now the cell reactions are, anode reaction is, anode oxidation takes place always, Fe plus 2 aqueous gives rise to Fe plus 3 aqueous plus 1 electron, anode reaction. And then cathode reaction is Ag plus aqueous plus 1 electron gives rise to Ag solid. Overall cell reaction is Fe plus 2 plus Ag plus gives rise to Fe plus 3 aqueous plus Ag solid. From this, Q is equal to product concentration by reactant concentration. Solid concentration is 1 molar, so Ag solid concentration is 1 molar. So Fe plus 3 by Fe plus 2 into Ag plus. Anyway, in the problem they mentioned that concentration of Fe plus 2 is equal to concentration of Fe plus 3. So here we can cancel these two, Fe plus 3 and Fe plus 2. So remaining Q is equal to 1 by Ag plus concentration. Now we can take the nearest equation. E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 by N log Q. First calculate E0 cell value. E0 cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Which is cathode? Silver. Silver reduction potential value is 0.8. Anode is iron. Its reduction potential value is 0.77. Value will get 0.03 volts. E0 cell value. Now substitute in that formula, that is nearest equation. Anyway, E cell value is given as 0 in the problem. So 0 is equal to E0 cell is 0.03 minus 0.0591 by N, where N is the number of electrons. How many electrons? 1 electron. So N value is 1 log 1 by Ag plus, because Q is 1 by Ag plus. From this, if you calculate the Ag plus value, will get 0.31 molar. So the answer is option B.